What's your favorite work of art? There's a special photograph named The Napalm Girl. When did you see it? I accidentally saw it 5 years ago when I traveled to Vietnam. Where did you see it? In Museum of Vietnamese History. The photo was solemnly hung in an eye-catching position in the room. Why do you like it? The photo captured a naked 9-year-old girl running away from the napalm attack, which is really touching. What's special about it? Thanks to the photo, the photographer was awarded the Pulitzer Prize for spot news photography. Do your friends like it, too? Yes, they do. The photo did touch their souls, too. Do you want to be an artist? Nope, although I'm quite interested in art. What qualities does a person need to be an artist? An artist needs to be creative and sensitive to things around him, I think. How do children develop their talent for art? Children's talent for art should be recognized and nurtured as early as possible so that they can reach their full potential.